Yo, alright, let's go. Get the compressor to kick on. Yes, here, 5,000. I don't know if you're gonna get the compressor. Sorry. I don't know if you're doing work outside, so I don't think you're gonna hit the compressor that good. Alright, let me know. Key off. You can hear it. There you go. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. A little bit vibrating. Outside. Can't go out and show you because this is not my house. This part isn't the whole house isn't mine. So I can't go ahead and get it there. You probably guys know. Wow, it's already cold. This video I think is for HVAC techs, HVAC shacks. Put in the comments down below if this is a China Pride AC unit or not, because I don't like this brand for. Alright, go turn it off. Vibrating a little bit. Look at this. It's like another portal doing that. Alright, just a little quick video.